What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap with a live trade on stock SPCE that actually made itself a nice lunar launch. Check it out. Well, guys, today I traded SPCE. This one was front and center on my watch list. I really liked, the opportunity that could have been had there on SPCE. Now, SPCE did squeeze up way higher than I anticipated by a long shot. But hey, there was still money to be made there. I was able to get into that trade, manage my risk well, get in rather early, honestly, and book myself a nice little bottom of the barrel home run day on it. So I'm really happy with that. I have the live trade recorded. We're going to go over that here. All right. Yesterday was an amazing day. There's also another video that's going to come out here showing you an afternoon trade I took on MRIN, which was a great solid trade from yesterday to add to what was already a huge day yesterday. So really happy with that. Really happy with the performance, the follow through we're getting on some tickers. All right. So what we're going to do here is we're going to jump into the charts. We're going to go over today's watch list, go over today's trade on SPCE and the live trade in a couple seconds. Now, if you want to go see those charts and the live trade, I need you to do one thing for me. Smash the like button for me. That's the ticket to admission. And I'm just going to sit here and wait until you hit that like button, and then we'll go in. So, all right, let's go.
All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this recap here on the day. And today was a pretty good day. I didn't expect a whole lot huge moves today, even though SPCE gave a monstrous move. I mean, way more than I expected that it would give today. But I did have it on watch. We had it on watch here. Here's your dashboard at thedaytraderchatroom.com. You can, if you're watching on YouTube, you can join us for 5 days for just $5. For a little trial, you're going to get access to all of this and more. So here is the watch list, SPCE. I had on watch MRIN, Nike, PRS, ALF, Tesla on watch. And, I'll show you what I was watching. On MRIN, I was watching to see if it can, break back above that 3 to 350 area. But so far, it's just held $3 rather lazy-like. No trades there for me today. Nike just digesting the gap up all day long right now. And I mean, I don't blame it. This thing has just made a huge move up over all-time highs. And now it's just like, guys, give me a breather. I want to chill here for a little while and catch my breath because, boy, am I tired. So this is expected. It's not surprising at all. I did have it on watch to see if 148 area would hold as support. You see it there on the daily chart, bottom right-hand side, previous all-time high. And just looking to see if that area would hold support, which so far it has, obviously held it just above it, actually. So we'll see what it wants to do here going into next week. But for now, I wouldn't expect a whole lot out of Nike. PIRS got absolutely crushed, completely demolished today, right? And then ALF, we have been watching for a few days because on Wednesday, you guys remember we drew what was the beginning of a potential bull flag setup. And I was hoping that we would get this move maybe on Monday. So I was hoping today we would have another inside day. And then Monday, what? I was looking for that big move. But it decided to just do it today. And kind of sucks because it took the move away. It took the trade away. It did have one nice clean pullback right here. And a bang, move off of that. But hey, we're closing in on lunchtime here, so maybe it consolidates, gives an afternoon move. The next one I was watching and the one I have the live trade on is SPCE. Now SPCE, I was watching for this $43, $44 zone to maybe hold support on pullbacks. Big gap up today on SPCE. So I was hoping that maybe we get a little bit deeper pullback. It did not give a deeper pullback, but it did give a pullback nonetheless here. And if you guys remember correctly, right when we were in this zone here, I told you guys, I was like, guys, you know what I would love? And I drew it out in chat. You guys remember. I was like, you guys, you know what I would love? I would love to see this 9 AMA creep up there and then this VWAP, do this and then just have a nice move through VWAP.
Guys, at least my opinion, one of the most important things in trading is patience. And waiting and waiting. The bell rings and people think that you have to instantly just start buying things. The bell rings like buy, 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 sell, sell, sell. Trying to scalp 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 15 cents at a time, randomly, chasing momentum upwards or downward, right? Not waiting for a pattern to develop, not using the daily chart to identify support and resistance zones. I literally sat here all morning. Well, when I say all morning, probably the first 30 to 40 minutes of the day, I just sat there at my desk going through charts, flipping through charts, waiting for a setup to begin to develop so that I can then partake in a trade where I can easily manage my risk to the downside and have plenty of upside potential. And that's what I did here with SPCE, and you're going to see it on the charts.
And that's exactly what we got. It's awesome. It came out so great. I wish I would have taken a screenshot, but you guys in chat saw me draw it live, so you can confirm that. But we got that move. And then right in here, I came in, took a starter position, and then I had some ads within here, and then a final ad in here on the VWAP break. And then I took profit in here and up here. And it was a nice trade because, I mean, I banged out over $1 a share profit on these, right? On these takes. And then when I did that, I got flat and I was looking for a pullback back down here to 47.50 area. And it didn't give it to me. It got there to 47.80s, the mid 47.80s, and then it just took off. I was so mad because I was looking for that deeper little pullback there so I can jump back into this trade and ride it back up, since I already had a very nice cushion on the day there on that first trade. So I kind of missed out on that. It didn't give me the pullback I wanted, but I remained disciplined and conserved the profits on the day. We had that big move. After that, I was hoping we break 50 and then pull back down in here to 49.50, this previous high here, but it didn't do that either. Sucker just kept on going. It kept on going, and here we are where we're just sitting up here now with 11.50. We've made a high. What I would like to see out of it now is consolidation in here throughout lunch for an afternoon move. Now let me grab that live trade here for you, and we'll go over that live trade. Here we go. Also, what did the performance look like in chat today? Look at this. We ran our polls, and 87% of traders were green today. 12% didn't trade. Congratulations, guys. That's an amazing, amazing day. Amazing way to end the week, to be honest, as well. Yesterday was amazing. Huge day for me yesterday, and another nice day here for me today. Now, you can see I take my starter here, and I wanted to add a little bit more over 47. I didn't, and that's why I was also looking for that pullback into 47.50 to get back into the trade. So here we are, just a couple hundred shares, looking to add a little bit more. Right there, I add some, and then when we get through VWAP, I add again, and now, I really thought we'd get a couple candles straight to the 49. I didn't think it would lillygag as much as it did, but it did, and I took profits here. And I'm just taking profits along the way. I mean, remember, I'm in from down here, right? So I'm taking profits along the way there. Nice little trade. And like I said, this right here, I put an order out on the ask here at 48.40. I catch a fill there. And like I said, here, another thing to notice is we're breaking out and the volume isn't increasing. It's kind of the opposite. A little increase in volume, but each candle is actually less volume on the breakout. So I was like, let's see what happens. I waited for the pullback, didn't come here, and I just sold out that last piece right there. And then I waited for the pullback to re-enter. It didn't come. It just went straight up after that. So I was like, all right, whatever. Look, it's like I say, for me personally, today is a bottom of the barrel home run day. What's a bottom of the barrel home run day for me? About $500, 400 and change. I made a little bit over $500 today. So that's a bottom of the barrel home run day, okay? Yesterday in the afternoon with my MRIN trade in the afternoon, which we'll recap in another video, wound up yesterday being well over a home run day. Well over a home run, probably closer to a Grand Slam type of day. Because well over $1,000 yesterday, like well over. Amazing day yesterday. And then today, add another $500 and change. It's a great week. It's a great week. So I'm not going to do something stupid and chase, right? I'm going to stay disciplined. So now what I'm watching for space is for a space to hold 50 to $52 as consolidation throughout lunch, and then maybe give us an afternoon move. So that's what I'll be looking for today.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and that live trade. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below for me. Remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the daytraderchatroom.com. You get access to my courses, to our video lesson library with over 200 videos. You have access to resources, live trading of me and Kevin every single day, along with live recaps and lessons every single day that the market is open. All right, and you can also lock in your price if you go in for the yearly plan. So check it out, the daytraderchatroom.com. I'll leave a link in the description and comment section with a coupon code just for you. I'll catch you on the next one.